What we're reviewing today are called central tendencies. What are they called, guys?
Central tendencies.
Well, they are rarely called that, mostly because we don't see that very often, but that's the best name for them, central tendencies. These are more commonly known as mean, median, mode, range. All those together are called central tendencies. What are they called, guys? Central tendencies. Okay, so we talked about frogs yesterday. So you need to find A, the mean, B, the median, C, the mode, D, the range. Now here's all of your data. We've got frogs. The blue frog has how many spots? 2. Green frog? 4. Red? 2, 3, 8. You got it. Okay, start keeping track. Go for it. Put it on your. Okay, now that you've had time to go over this, let's do the mean first. I need someone who's so confident they can explain to me. If I had no idea, this is the first day I ever saw mean, what do I do? Nathan, how do I do mean?
You add 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 3.
Okay, so he said add them up.
And then once you did that, you divide by 8 with 8 colors.
Okay.
And you get 3.5.
Alright, so he said once you've added them, then you divide by 8 because there's 8 different colors, and you get 3.5. Nathan, back up. Do you know what you got once you added them all together? Alright, so you got 28. Then you divided by 8 because there's 8 colors in there, and you got 3.5. That was very clear. How many of you got the same as Nathan? 3.5.
What?
Okay, question. You've got, well, actually, more of a statement. You need to be very careful with your calculators. What I'm noticing some of you do is you type this in right here. I'm going to underline it. You type in this, 2 plus 4 plus blah, 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 plus, 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 and then you put in divide by 8. I keep trying to tell you how dangerous that is. It's so dangerous because what your calculator does is it does it as you type it in. So what it's thinking is all it has to divide by 8 is that 3 that's right in front of it. Is that what you're trying to tell the calculator to do? No. So the safest way is to hit the equal button, like Nathan did, get a final answer, and then divide by 8, 3.5. This is danger zone. Yep, that's the mean. Add them up. Divide by how many in the set? Okay, next one, for B, we've got to find median. Can I tell you, all day long, I've only had one student get this right. One student. Pause. What's the key word for median? Okay, you're fine with that, but everybody shortcutted it. But you've got to do something. Jeffrey, do you know what you have to do first? Oh, perfect. Jovian said you have to remember to put them in order first. Jovian, what students are doing all day where they just started here and they started down? You gotta be careful, but like you said, put them in order. Okay, you said start with 1, end with 8. Can you tell me the order? So 1, then what? Oh, we'll sneak in a 4, okay? Okay, then what, Jovian? Okay. Keep going. First, last, first, last. So it's between these two.
3.
How many of you got 3 for the median? Sweet. Good job. Okay, I'm running out of room. We'll handle it. Mode, hand in the air. Don't shout at me. Hand in the air. Mode. Sergio, what is it? 3 and 2? Or 2 and 3? Can we have 2 modes? Oh yeah, totally. I have a question for you. What if nothing in the set repeats? What are you going to put? Good job. None. Can I sneak in range?
I used to always put the biggest number.
Oh yeah, danger zone. Range. If you forget, you can look at the board now, right? Lauren, tell us how to do range.
You do the biggest number minus the smallest.
Perfect. Biggest number minus smallest. What is the biggest number, Lauren?
8.
And what's the smallest?
1.
So 8 minus 1. Guys, shout out. What is it?
7.
How many of you are 4 for 4?
Oh, I thought you were saying 7.
Okay, let's up the frogs. Ready? Set. Go. Same directions. Let's see if you're paying attention. Try these ones. All right, Anna, tell us how you figured out mean on this one. Okay, add all the numbers together. Okay, when you added them, Anna, what did you get? Did you write it down? Does anybody have what you added them up written down? Sadie, what did you get? I heard 112 and I heard 118. It matters. 118? Okay. I am so confused. Okay, 118. Okay, and then she said, don't forget to divide by how many are in the set. How many are in the set? Oh, it's still 8? So final answer should be 118 divided by 8. You got 15? I kind of like that because we're talking spots, right? So should we just do 15 spots? Sure. Feel free to adjust it. I don't mind. Okay, letter B. Jovian rocked this question. For median, you can't forget to do what with the numbers? Put them in order. Okay, can I have one person tell me? Otherwise I'll get confused. Donnie, tell me the order. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 20. Thank you, Donnie. Okay, let me just change the color and I'll bounce back and forth. First one, last one. First one, last one. First one, last one. What's in the middle of 13 and 14? How many of you got 13.5 for the median? Oh. You know what? Median is dangerous to round. Let's just keep it as 13 and a half spots. Okay. Next one. What's next? Oh, mode. Is there a mode on this one?
Yes.
What is it?
13.
13 is repeated the most times? Okay. Last one is range. Range. Shout out, guys. How do you find range? Okay. Biggest number minus smallest number. 22 minus 11. Purple frog minus red frog. Final answer. How many of you? Yeah, I got this. You got it?